Okay, here you go, the finished product. Now I decided to add some beads. These beads were already stringed, so I am going to take off the light to show you how I put it on the cup. I'm going to be very careful to do this. Okay, I'll put the light to the side for a minute and we'll get back to that in a minute. Okay, here they go. Now, like I said, these were already stringed, and I put a bread tie with some on it, and I put 2 holes in the cup. Now make sure these holes are not really close to each other or it will not work, and then twist them inside. Okay. Now, to secure the cup inside the pot, I put in some pieces of styrofoam. I painted them first. You can use about, I want to say about that size, like that. Okay? Now we'll put the light back in, and be very careful when you put it in. You want to put it in too fast because you don't want to knock over your pot and break the light. Okay, it hit the bottom. Let's get it a little, there we go. Once again, there is the finished product. And we will pan around so you can see the side of it. There it is, nicely lit. Now, it's very important that you put this in a very sunny place so it will be nicely lit. If you like what you see, please put some comments down below. And also please subscribe, and once you have done subscribing, don't forget that little bell next to this, or subscribe, so you can get notified when I download my next craft project. Thank you for watching.